Have I knackered it up? Ian Pullen, if you're watching, I need your help. Right, quick update on the chainsaw, and then I'm off to Harry's coming out with Buddy. I think I'm gonna move a tree with the tractor, and then we might let Buddy have a sniff around the silage clump. But I'm just gonna try this chainsaw out for, I don't know, a couple of minutes. I haven't put any fuel in it. You know, remember I changed the blade and I did the carburetor? Here's a flashback. Right, there's the carburetor, which pretty sure I can just, if I unhook these bits here, I'm pretty sure I can just pull it out. Right. And you can see in there, look at that. And that would go on there, I think. Because that sort of slots in as it goes on, if I remember rightly. Right. Right, that is ready to go. Now you might think I'm going to start this up now, but I'm not. A, because I haven't got any clean petrol, but B, I've still got to replace the cutter bar and put this whirry thing on, whatever I call it. We're fitting a new blade on here because this is pretty worn out. New chain and new sprocket.
Hello, I'm a bug-eyed monster.
Okay, right, look at that. Can you see that? That one's pretty. And that one's not. That's locking that. Right, so now I've got to get the new bar and chain on. Christmas time. Oh, chainsaws and wine. So, fit that on there. Now, I'm sure any of you who do chainsaws will probably go, he's doing it the wrong way. And you're probably right. So in here is that adjuster screw that you can do up. And you see the chain's all slack at the moment. But you see there. So if I tighten that up, you should see the chain gradually tightening up with it. Look, you can actually see it's already gone fairly tight. Let's just hope it starts. You'll see that on part 2. So that was a while ago. I haven't actually run it since then. I need to put some fuel in it. Got no fuel in it. Oh, that's jammed shut. A bigger screwdriver. It's got a slot in there, look. There we go. This is the oil. Got a bit of oil in it. And this is the fuel. Fuel's completely empty. Right. Let me just. I haven't got much fuel left. I haven't had actually a chance to mix any new fuel up. I'm hoping that my cleaning the carburetor will actually change things. Let me just put that in there. New shiny blade, bit of fuel in the tank. Let's go and see if we can just see how well this runs if I just cut a bit off the tree. Right, so we're back at the old apple tree. God, I can't hear myself. Right, I think I bought the small chainsaw. I should have bought the big one really, because I've realised I've got back quite far on this, and so the logs are quite big really for the little saw. Look, it'll still do it, but really this is why you want to switch to the big chainsaw. That's why I've got two chainsaws. Little chainsaw for the little smaller branches, and a bigger one for this. This trunk here, ooh, I'm not looking forward to that. I might actually leave that for a while. I might just log it back to that. And anyway, it's nice to have a little seat in the field, isn't it? As you know, when I was talking about Hairy Mary, we'll never forget her, will we? Anyway, I'm going to just fire it up, assuming it fires up okay. We'll just do a few chunks just to check it, see if it's working okay. I still got to buy a new spark plug for this chainsaw. It does need a clean up round all everywhere. Someone criticised me for not cleaning it, and they were right. I need to clean it up, check the oil that's coming out. But this is just a quick fire up, see whether me doing the carb has made any difference. And I want to check out my new sharp blade. Right, let's see whether I can get the thing going first. Remove the trip hazard. Now bear in mind this was empty of fuel. It might take a while for the fuel to feed through. So, I'm not convinced. Actually, helps if you put it in the start position. That doesn't feel right. God, bloody hell. Oh. Have I knackered it up? Ian Pullen, if you're watching, I need your help. Oh, fudge. Ain't gonna start, is it? Oh. Let's hope the big one starts. Oh. I'll have to check that for I'm gonna have to get that checked, aren't I? With someone who knows what they're doing. Crack not on.